It's a 2016 Chevrolet Equinox, designed to handle life's journeys and all the equipment it requires. And it comes with all the amenities you need. Inline 4-cylinder engine, front heated bucket seats, external memory control, leather steering wheel, power heated mirrors, voice activation, aluminum wheels, Wi-Fi hotspot, and automatic transmission. There's more than a century of ingenuity and significance in every Chevy. Take it for a test drive today.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.